How to add or remove cart on Temu. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can add or remove cart on Temu. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Temu application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Temu account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to the bottom of this interface and tap on the icon that says You. Now from this interface, navigate to top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Now under settings, scroll down a bit and on the top there is an option that says your payment methods. Tap on it. Here you will have an option to add or credit a debit card. So simply tap on the button that says add a credit or debit card. After that, you will have this form right here where you have to fill up all your card information. It will ask for your card number. So first of all, you have to enter your card number. Under that, you have to enter the expiration date, and next to that you will have to enter your 3 to 4 digits CVV. And once you're done with that, again you will have to enter your billing address. So for that, go to edit billing address and you have to enter all of this information right here. Once you're done with that, simply tap on save. Once you have provided your billing address, now all you have to do is tap on add your card button from the bottom of this interface, and if you have entered your correct card information, your card will be added to your Temu account. Now once you have added card to your Temu account, if you change your mind to remove it, all you have to do is tap on your card. Once you tap on your card, on the next page you will have an option to delete a card. So simply tap on the button that says delete a card and it will ask for your confirmation. After that, your card will get removed from your Temu account. So that's how you can add or remove card on Temu, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.